back to another Free Talkers video. Sorry I have not been posting recently, but yeah, I'm kind of sick, so ignore my voice. In today's video, I'm going to be checking out the newest update video. Update. Um, I just spoiled that. Let's not look over there. We're just gonna get in a truck. Let's get this one. Alright, so we're gonna head to a mud pit. So we come to the mud pit. Mud has been revamped. There's actually better mud physics, which are better. Now, it only covers half on like some trucks, cause you know it's just for the sake. So, um, yeah, here's that the mud thing. And then let's head back, cause it looks like my truck is fully muddy. Alright. So that's all dirty. We're just gonna head behind the trailer store. You may not expect this, but we got a car wash revamp. So we're just gonna circle around the building till right here. Okay. We're gonna take the window side. So you come up to here. You can. This would actually be good for a lot of role plays. Okay, ignore that. You're just gonna press open barn barrier or whatever it is. I don't know. Now, come through here. Okay, we have leave car neutral. Y'all can read that. And yeah, it's just slowly cleaning. It's realistic. I must be in a public server. I'm sorry. I low-key forgot. So it's done. That's all for the update that we had. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys, and goodbye.